They are ready for flight. First I'm gonna try it flying, and later in this video you're gonna see the unboxing of SG106 drone, really affordable drone. You can find the link in the video description. And now let's go flying. Okay, I think you can see the main screen. So this is my mobile phone. There are two ways of starting this drone. You can either pull the joysticks left and right and stop it. That's what it's called, armed. And just take off and land button. You can control it with your mobile phone, but I mean, I wouldn't explain all this stuff around here. I will just start flying. Let's do the auto takeoff and landing. Let's change the speed a little bit, and you can see the picture on the drone itself. So another thing is trimming. You just press the button, press the joystick if your drone is, I mean, going left, right, or it's not stable. This one is stable, as you can see, quite stable. Let me put it down a little bit. And on this screen you can choose between, this is for taking photos. Let's take a shot, and you can do it with this button too. Take a video, change the camera. I mean, this is floating. Let's trim it forward now. I don't know how actually this works, but let's go and auto land. Yeah, that's it. This is calibration. It's a good thing to do for each flight. This is trimming. When you press it. Okay. Now let's do some. Oops, this is the photo that I've been taken. What is this? This is camera. You can use button camera too. Now let's do some flight recording. Let's record video and see how it looks like. Nice, actually. Quite stable. Let's do some more flying. So this is speed number 2. And let's do the fastest mode. Let me lower it down a little bit. So let's see how fast. Now this is the fastest mode. So it's not a fast drone, but it's quite okay for flying every day. I don't see any battery indicator. That would be nice, but nevertheless it's okay. Quite stable. Yeah, I mean, I'm not doing anything with a transmitter, and it's just holding in the air. So there are so many things here. You can draw a pattern you want the drone to follow. So let's say I want you go there. I don't know how to activate it. Too many functions. Actually, what is this for? Oops, cancel. Never mind. Let's go down. You can land it with your stickers. You can press the auto land button. I never tested this 3D roll. Let's check that out. What does the 3D roll work? Nothing. Probably this function is not available. Great. What is return? God knows where it's returning. I'm going to land now. And I will land with the stickers, not with auto landing. So when it's down, let's see, props, stop. I will stop video recording. Props just stop. What can I say? Actually, it's a great little drone. Really affordable. Really affordable. And it works fine. It works really fine. Very impressed. I am very impressed. Great drone. Okay. Thanks for watching. And now comes the unboxing video. Hello viewers. Today I have another affordable drone with camera. It's called SG106. And this is how it's packed. Now I'm going to open it to see what's in the box. It has dual cameras, bottom camera and front camera, and as per specification it is 180p. Main camera is 180p resolution, so full HD resolution. This is the manual. This is probably QR code for application for your mobile phone, and some basic instructions. I will not do that now, unless that now. Let's see what's in the box. So these are the spare propellers. This is USB cable with micro USB port, standard as your mobile phones. These are protection guards for propellers. This is the drone itself. So there is a button, power button, hope you can see it. Antenna. This is the bottom camera, so probably this camera is used for fixing the position of the drone. It doesn't have a GPS, but I assume that you can use that camera too for taking shots and videos. And this is the main camera, HD camera, in the front of the drone. let's see, this is the battery. Let me take it out. So as per specification it is 1S battery, and actually it is. I don't know if you can see it under this light, and it is 1600 milliamp hours. So 1S battery, and finally the transmitter. So the transmitter probably needs to be opened somehow, yeah, like this. These are antennas, but I think they are just fake pieces of plastic as usual, and this is the place for your mobile phone for FPV picture from your mobile phone. Basic commands, this is mode 2, auto takeoff and landing, stop taking the photos, taking the videos, headless mode, 3D roll, we'll check that out, speed, probably 2 or 3 speed controls of how fast do you want to fly a drone, and this return should be return to home. It's probably in headless mode, usage in headless mode, probably. I don't know, I have to check the manual first, and after I check the manual I will record the flight. This is interesting, actually. You can charge this battery with any standard micro USB cable because it has a charger in it, so you can use your charger from mobile phone and just charge this battery. This is interesting, I haven't seen that before. Okay, let's charge the battery and check it how it works.